this denial of entry of the Kodavas, people from Coorg into the temple because they were in their traditional attire, seems to be only a trigger. There seems to be a larger problem, Prithviji.
Good evening.
Good evening.
This is not just one matter. It is a lot of matters combined together and emotional as burst. So that is the reason this protest has taken place. So this is not only because of the temple entry with our attire. Before that also, there are a lot of issues which was triggering us. But then we were keeping quiet, and this is enough for us to bust out. So even in Kaveri, they have stopped us going with our attire to Kaveri Tirthodbhava, and there are a lot of other small issues which was accumulated. Now it is
You, sir,
busted
if you would like to
because of this.
elaborate, Prithvi sir, you said that, of course, what I heard was they stopped you from going to Talakaveri, if I'm not wrong. Correct me,
Yes.
sir. To Talakaveri, which is the head, the mouth of the river Kaveri. Tale means head. I want to ask you, Prithvi sir, what are the other issues which were brewing for so long?
See, this is our attire, and there are a lot of our ornaments, our this one, what we say, traditions. Everything has been mocked in different ways, and they're figuring every time in social medias. A lot of youths from other communities, they were triggering us, and just because we are cooks, they've been insulted our Field Marshal Karyapaja and Timaya. So they garlanded with footwears and all those stuff. So these
No
are all
problem.
things
No, I'll come
accumulated,
to you.
and now
Madhosh
it is.
Puvaya, let me come to you, sir, even as Prithvi sir corrects his frame. Madhosh Puvaya, I want to ask you that there is also now a clarion call for giving Kurgis or people from Kodugu a special status. Would you like to elaborate on that, Madhosh sir?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Definitely. Before independence and till 1956, we had our own state, like Kodagu state. It was. After joining to Karnataka, we left everything. We lost everything. Our tradition and our language, everything was spoiled by Karnataka government. At this junction, we now demand from our Karnataka government and our national government, I mean central government, to protect our community, our language, and our culture. This is the main demand what we have today's March. This is the main thing, madam.
Right. And also, what about the government of Siddaramaiah? I mean, there are ministers there who are actually, advising Mr. Siddaramaiah to do something about it. Do you have faith, Madhur sir, that something will happen?
Definitely, madam. Today we have joined. Today we are around 65,000 Kodava and Kodava community, Kodava language speaking community joined here for this march. At this junction, definitely we have this thing that definitely we'll get all our demands to be carried.
So please, all right. So would you like to just, Madhur sir, can you just list some of your demands for the viewers, sir?
Madam, we have a problem like our ornaments and our weapons. We have a special right of our weapons.
Right.
Though who as a Kodava, I can own a weapon. Now other community, they are asking, we shouldn't have that special right.
Okay.
At this junction, we are sure that we'll get the thing. It will be sorted out after this demand.
All right. Prithvi
and
sir.
one more thing.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Madhur sir. Go ahead, sir.
And one more thing. The thing is, we had a problem with the Kattamadu temple very recently.
Yes.
You said, sir.
I think
district.
Prithvi sir, let me come to you. Can you just describe the kind of problem you faced at the Kattamedu temple, sir?
Actually, our people from Kattamadu area, they've They have entered the temple with our attire on that last day of the festival. The temple they have stopped them going inside the temple because they are wearing our attire. So they had a heated arguments there, and problem started from then. Then actually we Riders Club wanted to visit the temple with attire, and that is when the police arrested us and arrested in the sense they wanted to they did it for a precautionary measures, but
You know,
then
sir,
entire
but Prithvi sir,
yeah.
did it happen for the first time? Because temples do have dress codes. For instance, many temples in South India do not allow anyone to, some of them don't allow men to wear shirts. You have to be upper body bare. Then many of them don't allow anyone to enter in shirts. So is the, you know, did you know about these rules? Was it the first time that you were being stopped, sir?
No, see, if you Kerala and some part of Karnataka, yes, definitely they don't allow shirts while entering the temple, and they have. But in Coorg, there is no culture like that. We have all rights to wear our traditional dress to all the temples in Coorg, and this is the first time what we, some people have stopped us entering with our attire. That made us to react like this.
All right. You know, what do you expect Siddaramaiah government to do, sir, Prithvi sir? I mean, do you think because, ministers are speaking to them, they are saying that, something should be done for them. After all, you're a martial race, and what great contribution to this country, whether it be cinema, it be sports, it be, of course, the Indian Army, sir, who can forget? And so many sports person, Ashwini Nachappa, I mean, I'll never forget, or Rohit Bopanna, these are even designers, Prasad Bidappa, I mean, let's not forget. So, great contribution by you. So, do you think this government, do you trust this government to do something about it? Because it seems like being mocked and everything. I wonder if the government can do anything. But if you want what Madhur sir said, about carrying of weapons or wearing your ornaments and not being stopped because you're a Kodava, that I think, do you trust the government to actually rectify this for you, sir?
Yeah, because this time we have our own MLA, like Kodava MLA, who can definitely, work on this, and he can get these things done very easily because he is a, legal advisor for CM, is very close to him. So definitely he can work on this and he can get it done. And we are not asking anything beyond our limits. This is inside. This is what we are doing it from very long. So our attire, our ornament, wearing that in Coorg itself is a problem means definitely government has to help, and I have a hope that they will definitely take care of this.
Right. Madhur sir, I want to ask you, apparently according to one statistic, only 40% of Kodavas live now in Coorg. The rest are all from outside.
Definitely, madam.
Kerala,
Yeah.
Andhra Pradesh, other parts of Karnataka, buying property, coffee plantations, and then building commercial property, resorts, and we all know what that leads to. Is that not a big issue, Madhur sir?
Yeah, I feel it is also a big issue. Now we are having problems of labors here, so that our Kodavas are selling our property to others. It is also the major issue of what is happening. Still, these issues,
Right, I think
40% of the Kodavas is okay for us in Kodagu. It doesn't have any problem. We can manage Kodagu with this percentage.